Hi everyone, this is Proma Nautiyal, the Sassy Marketer, and today we are going to review our first tool on the Sassy Marketer, which is Copywriter Pro AI. It's an AI writing tool and a super good one at that. So I have been, using a lot of AI tools for writing. Though I write my own copies most of the time, I'm very particular about them, and I have been hunting for a good one which can help me scale by churning out more copies very quickly. And in my hunt for AI writing tools, I came across Copywriter Pro, and this you have to check out. So let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard that you see over here. On the left hand side, just move it here. On the left hand side, you get all these options, right from blog writer to the other writing tools, and you will see a ton of use cases right from Facebook. For example, if I click on Facebook, you'll see add creative descriptions, add creative headlines, add creative link descriptions. Then you have YouTube, Google, LinkedIn. Oh, wait for LinkedIn. You get to write about, the LinkedIn profile, about the bio on your LinkedIn. This is something they can create. Then you can write product descriptions, and you can go ahead and use the writing tool, which is crazy. The expander expands into paragraphs. If you give them a simple line, it will expand into a paragraph. The simplifier, summarizer, they have been named very easily. It is very easy to understand what each of these tools do, right? So you have Fiverr profile description. There are a ton of use cases, which is crazy. And then you have email, brainstorming. Then you have website, business, CV writing, which is gold. Headline, Amazon for Amazon product descriptions, and sales copies. So as the name goes, copywriter, it definitely does a fantastic job as a copywriter. And of course, you have blog writing too, which is a part of content writing. And in this, they have this new feature. So I'm going to go ahead and walk through each one of them, if not all of them, the ones that I really liked. And I will definitely like to show you what this blog writer, this ghostwriter thing does. So what I've been doing is I've been typing in random topics just to test it out first. And I have gotten mind-blowing pieces written in a matter of seconds. So right now, for example, uh, we can write, say, let's make cake. Why not? Let's make cake. It's a blog about chocolate cake, my favorite, gluten-free, healthy, and recipe needed. Let's see if it gives us a recipe. Let's keep it short, keywords to enter. So one thing you have to ensure that for AI writing tools, the more information you give them, the better is the product that you get at the end of it. So for example, since I've mentioned chocolate cake, gluten-free, healthy, and recipe needed, what kind of keywords should I be given to the tool? So chocolate cake, eggs, sugar, butter, healthy, recipe. Okay, and that's it. Let's hit generate blog, and let's see if it gives us a recipe. So it just takes a few seconds, and it will give you, yes, an introduction with a complete recipe. If you see this, okay, it's time to get our bake on, and today we are going to make a chocolate cake that's gluten-free and healthy. This recipe is perfect for anyone with gluten sensitivities or those who are looking for a healthier cake option. Each and every part of it, like you would see a recipe on a blog, right? On a food blog. So this is cool. This is great. Let's make this chocolate cake, gluten-free, healthy, recipe needed. Okay, flour. I'm just trying to see if I tweak it, what happens. So I'm trying to tweak a bit to see if I get some more variations to our chocolate cake recipe. Chocolate cake, healthy, gluten-free, recipe. Okay. And we'll keep the keywords as I've added flour here and hit on generate blog. Write the blog headline first. Oh, I have to write the blog headline first. Let's make cake. Okay, let's give it a shot again. I want to show you how you can, just make a few minor tweaks on the window that is already open and get more variations of, there you go. See, this time I put a comma and then recipe. I don't know if that did the trick. This is a complete recipe and it's using almond flour, which is a gluten-free flour. And this is a perfect recipe right here that an AI has written for you, just because you have written chocolate cake, healthy, gluten-free, and recipe. I mean, this is one thing that I love about Copywriter Pro AI is it is too close to human as even being an AI writer, this is just mind-blowing. Let's go back. And now let's check out, say, a YouTube video tags from description. So, for example, for this particular video, if I had to extract tags, okay, let's say 3 tags. I've not even put an entire description. I've just typed in a few, words, which is copywriting, content writing, AI, and tool. Of course, the first one is what I had typed in. The second one has blog post and article writing, which are possible tags for YouTube. And the third one is even richer with content writing, AI, copywriting, blogging, content marketing, content strategy, and content management, all of which are perfectly, highly used tags on YouTube. Okay, that being said, let's try out LinkedIn's profile about. So for example, I would say, okay, marketing specialist, skills, content marketing, social media marketing, copywriting, why not? Content writing. Okay, let's stop at that. And let's ask for 2 suggestions, right? And let's hit generate. So this is a tool you can, totally use to create bios for your LinkedIn. So here it is. I'm a marketing specialist with an extensive background in writing and copywriting, which is true. I've also been managing social media accounts for the past 4 years, and I have experience in content marketing. I'm proficient in a variety of content management platforms, a skilled photographer, and a talented writer. Oh my God, this is so on point. Then, like I mentioned, there is paraphrasing, there is expander, simplifier, summarizing. You can just go through a grammar fixer because, for example, you have written an article and maybe you're not using Grammarly on it. So you can always copy paste that particular paragraph into the window and use the grammar fixer for perfect grammar. So that being said, email subject from body. So basically you have written an email, but you don't know what the right subject is going to be for that. You can copy and paste the body and get the subject examples, examples of subject line from that. And email marketing campaigns. So let's take a look at that. There we go. So for example, so we have email marketing campaign subject, right? So say we have a product, coffee beans, freshly roasted and ground, right? And let's see the number of suggestions. Let's say 2, why not? Oh my God, just look at it. So they have generated 2 email marketing campaign subjects right here. One is downright scandalous steals, just got certified organic. Friends, don't let friends miss this. You're going to love these prices. Send Mother's Day greetings, passionately purple items. Mother's Day is around the corner. So you can imagine how accurate this can get, So again, the second option is roast date, brewing instructions and ingredient information included in the footer. So this one is a more, health focused one. And just look at the detail it has gone into: allergy warning, non-GMO, fair trade, organic, kosher and halal, wholesome and guilt-free. It is beautifully done. If there is anything else that's left, you can always type it in, but it almost always includes everything that is needed to make it a complete copy, subject, whatever it is. Okay, and next we have, okay, so let's go and look at website, right? So we have website short description, website SEO friendly keywords, SEO friendly blog ideas. Can you imagine how powerful this particular tool can be? Landing page headlines. So everything related to website copy you can find over here. I really want to check out SEO friendly blog ideas. So let's actually use whatever they have over here as an example. So let's type in innovative technologies. So that's the content for that particular website. And the desired outcome is more sales and more engagement. Okay, let's stick to that. Business type, IT. Okay, information technology. Let's go with maybe 5 suggestions, right? So let's hit generate. Here you have 5 SEO friendly blog ideas, 9 technologies that could change the world, 6 tips for CTOs to develop innovative technologies. You see here, it is made for the CTOs. You may not need blockchain technology. Okay, the top 10 innovative technologies for 2017. So this is, of course, not going to work. So you can always edit it and change it to 2022. And why large companies are failing to innovate. All of these topics are great. All you need to do is maybe go through a couple of articles, grasp, whatever information you need to feed into the ghostwriter, and just sit back for not more than 5 to 10 seconds, and it will be there. Okay, that being said, we are done with websites, CV writing. Let's look at the CV summary. This time, let's go for a graphic designer with 5 years of experience, key achievements, created award winning graphics. I'm just creating stuff over here. Worked with major publishers. Number of suggestions, 1. Let's see what it gives us. So the CV summary is something a lot of us really struggle with, because the CV is easy to fill in, but the summary is a difficult one to write. As a graphic designer, I'm skilled and experienced in print, web, and mobile app design. I have a knack for concepting, originality, and style, and I enjoy working collaboratively with clients to create works that exceed their expectations. Truthfully, I couldn't have done a better job. I've started loving this tool. Absolutely love it. So this is the Copywriter Pro in a nutshell. And the last thing that we are going to visit is this. The problem, agitate, solution, and the IDA. Basically the attention, interest, desired action. So for example, the product name is smartphone. Product category is 30 MP smartphone. Okay, and let's see. I have to enter the number of suggestions. There you have it. Do you have a dream phone? Attention. Do you have a dream phone? Interest. You never have to worry about if the camera will take blurry pictures. It is so strong and stealth. There is no way that you will be able to get away from it. Desire. This phone is truly different from any other phone. What's awesome about it? Action. Click on this ad and order your own today. See? So it used the IDA principle and gave you a complete copy. So sales copy generator, that's you. Okay. So this is what the Copywriter Pro gives to you. It has a ton of use cases, like I already mentioned, and there is so much that you can do with this particular tool. So yeah, so this is the app interface that you're seeing. The blog refers to the blog writer over here. So you can bookmark all your favorite, content that has been generated, and you will find all the bookmarked posts over here if you have not copy pasted them somewhere else. And that is basically Copywriter Pro AI. Let's quickly hop on to the pricing. So this is a steal if you want to use it for your own self from time to time, and you don't have a really big, you don't want a big commitment, but you really want to use this tool for whatever needs, because there are a ton of needs. You could be a marketer, you could be a writer, a copywriter, or you might want to just start copywriting and you don't know where to start. Then this is the place. So you can go basic. The standard is just a dream for me because it is 50,000 words per month. And if you're a writer or a business, you should hands down go for the standard one. One thing with the basic, you don't get the AI blog writer. With the 31 you do, and that AI blog writer is crazy. You should totally have it. So that being said, this brings Copywriter Pro AI's review to a wrap. So with that, we come to a wrap with Copywriter Pro AI's review. I hope I could give you a good idea of what the tool is like. Personally, I really like it. I would love to use it. And that's it from me, Proma Nautiyal, the Sassy Marketer. Until next time, take care. See you. Bye-bye.